Hi there, Nicole Mender, licensed esthetician, owner of Savvy Skin Spa, and today I'm excited to announce that we have a new product called Peptide Restore. This has copper peptide 1, and it is going to be for anybody that has ultra sensitive skin. So I'm specifically talking to those of you who have rosacea, acne prone or active acne skin, or if you just have ultra sensitive skin. So what you're going to see with this product is it's going to be healing, and it's also going to speed up the process of the inflammation that you have from the acne. So if you've been searching for a product for your ultra sensitive skin, or say you have acne and you don't know what to use, the copper peptide Peptide Restore moisturizer is in a 1.7 ounce bottle. It runs $59 and it is now on the store. Pro tip is you can actually layer Moisture Surge underneath this product for added moisture. All right, thank you.